Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is April 24th. We do have grain markets starting off the session a little lower. Corn down 2, beans down about 2.5, wheat down 1.5 pennies. So giving back some of the gains that we had seen from yesterday's moves higher. Couple things to kind of watch. Yes, it's Friday. It's option expiration day for the May contracts. So we may not get a lot of movement out of that May, but watch some of these other contracts. Most of the volume has shifted out to July anyway, but keep an eye on that. It is last trade day for May, and we'll see what happens there. But there is rain coming across the Corn Belt here for today, tomorrow. Behind that, temperatures are supposed to warm up and give some good, some good conditions in order to see planting progress here next week. Talking about that, there's early talks that next week's planting progress could be anywhere from 17 to 19% complete. The 5-year average, though, is 25%. So we'll see how that looks coming out on Monday. There were talks yesterday that we were going to see a trucker strike down in Brazil. No major disruptions from that. We're going to have to keep an eye on that situation. If we do see some kind of disturbances, that could be friendly for beans up front. But longer term, they probably will get it figured out, much like what we've seen in the past. But no major disruptions here at this time. Also yesterday, Argentina's ag ministry came out and said that farmers are expected to harvest about 59 million tons for beans versus their estimates of 58 last month. So that crop looks like it's getting bigger right now as well. That could put a little weight on this market as well. Livestock, cattle up 20 cents right now. Box beef coming in slightly lower for choice, 5 cents, but up $1.52 for select. We do have a cattle on feed report that's out today at 2 o'clock. Early estimates there. Placements looking for 94.5% over last year. And then marketings at 98.2%. And on feed, 98.6%. So that is out at 2 o'clock. Keep an eye out on that as we approach that time as well. We did see cattle trade again. 158 still remaining there for Kansas, Texas. So that is lower this week, but a little excitement here, I think, from the cold storage report yesterday, and we'll see how we handle that going into cattle on feed a little later. Hogs up 15 cents right now. Good recovery yesterday. Cutout values jumping $2.19, looking pretty good, even with the talk of bird flu earlier this week. We haven't heard of any new cases as of yet, but something to certainly keep your ear out over the weekend. If we continue to hear cases of bird flu, that may be a little negative up front here for these hogs. Some of the other markets, stock market up 11 points right now. Gold and silver right around unchanged. Crude oil dropping 50 cents, and we've got the dollar down 31, at least to start the morning. But give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you again next week. Take care.